Hello, my name is Ravi Hanu. So today I want to explain how we connect to the database using Entity Framework Core from the .NET project. So using Visual Studio 2019. So here first we are going to create one sample project by selecting New Project and simple for the simplicity I want to just create a console app here. Or else we can create one web application as well. So if you want to display or uh, you just want to check the tables exist or not in this database and the application, so we can create one here. So let's see, I have created one console application and EF core, or else we can create one name console. EF core sample and we are placing solution in the same directory. So I just clicked on the create button. So it's trying to create a solution for us. Now we are able to create a brand new console application, the test one. So here, okay. So now how do we want to uh, scaffold database into this solution is, so we just want to see here on package manage console. Here it is not found, so we can go to the other windows and we can see package manager console. Okay, let's start. So for the purpose of saving time, I have already copied the scaffold DbContext here. Copied, selected, copy and paste here. Okay, so here I want to just explain the parameters. Here the connection string is very common and we are using the trusted connection, that is Windows authentication here. And we want to just use Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL Server. So this one, this is the package and we are selecting the output directory, the loan models, and also we can use, if you want to place a context file in a separate model also, we can use another parameter that we can see again later. Okay, just now I'm trying to click on it. I'm just trying to hitting the enter button. So it may return some error due to so it is showing some error. Let's see what it is. Okay, scaffold DbContext. For this we just need to install the entity framework core tools. So we are going to select and manage NuGet packages here, and we just need to browse and we are going to select the entity framework core. So we are going to install for this we need tools. We need tools as well. So for using entity framework core in our application, we need to install the entity framework core package as it is not available by default. Okay, now it is asking for install these many dependencies, so we are just clicking okay. So we are just accept. It is showing all the dependencies and then we are accepting it. So it is now taking time to install all those things, where we can see all, it is already finished, successfully installed all those things. And also we need some entity framework core tools and as well as SQL Server. See, Microsoft.entity framework core, entity framework core SQL Server. This is also required to map the DB folders into the local solution. So it is asking, it is giving information, okay, and we need to accept those. So it is installing. So I'll try to pause the video, and okay, we got it confirmation here, so we are accepting it and see it's done. Okay, now we need to install tools as well. Entity Framework Core Tools. Yeah, this one also we need to install for executing the Scaffold DbContext. Okay, so these are not kind of order, so you can install one by one, or you can shuffle installing those, no need. Okay, here we can see now it has been installed. Okay, let's close this window and we can see we are opening the package manager console, and we are just trying to click on it, and I'm hitting the enter button. So the build started, so build got succeeded. So it is fetching the details of database into our local folder. Let's see. Okay, so now we are able to create a loan models here. See, we got the loan models, and we got the customer, which is a model, POCO model, POCO class, and we have loan context here, and it is using the data annotations as a Fluent API. So we are seeing all the account number is required here, and we have length has maximum, which means has max length. It doesn't mean that it should be a 50 characters, and it is a required, and as well, it is max length is 50. On creating partial, it is just calling the base class. Yeah, so now we are able to successfully mapping, or like reverse engineering all the database